I'm currently staying in Melacca, Malaysia, and this is my Airbnb. The Imperio Residence sits on the edge of the Malacca Strait with breathtaking water views. Completed in 2018, this complex features 949 units spread across 30 stories. Units on Airbnb range from $30 to $70 a night, depending on the size and view. They come equipped with a kitchen, lounge, workspace, and if you're lucky, a balcony. You're only a 10-minute drive to 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗧, and there's a movie theater and restaurants across the street. There's 24-hour security, and entry to the building requires a key card. Yeah, the pool, it's amazing. Check out this view from the gym. This will inspire you to pump some iron even on vacation. Overall, I enjoyed my stay at the Imperio. I had a few issues with my Airbnb. Here's what happened. In a previous video, I mistakenly said that those notices in the elevators of Malaysian apartment complexes are the past due rents of the tenants. In actuality, and after doing some research, those are the maintenance fees and sinking funds that are charged on a monthly basis that are outstanding. So just like how in the United States we have HOAs, they cover the maintenance for lawn care, maybe a roof repair, and various costs. This is the same concept in Malaysia. All the tenants and all the people that own property within the apartment complex have to pay this on a monthly basis to pay for the security guards, for the upkeep of the pool, for landscaping, to clean the apartment complex, and this money gets pooled together for any big repairs, like replacing the roof or other major repairs. So the maintenance fees and the sinking funds that are outstanding are posted on a bulletin board near the elevators or sheets of paper printed and posted within the elevators stating which tenants owe money. As you can imagine, during COVID, tourism was shut down, Airbnbs were struggling because they had no tenants, nobody was coming to visit, so people got behind on these maintenance fees, and then that's why you see a lot of people having outstanding maintenance fees because they still have not caught up from all the back maintenance fees that they owe from COVID. So the reason why I'm making this video is to kind of give you guys a warning when booking Airbnbs. If something is cheap, it's usually cheap for a reason. And if you look on Airbnb, sometimes you can find apartment rooms within the same complex for, maybe $20, $30 cheaper a night. And you may be thinking, why is the same square footage, same amenities, and same apartment within the same complex being discounted, 20, 30%? And the reason is because some of these are new listings. When it comes to new listings, there is a risk when booking it. Usually you'll get it cheaper, but since they don't have any good reviews, they don't have any positive history, they may be a new Airbnb host, so they may not have all the logistics worked out, you run the risk of running into issues when checking in. And that's what happened with me. I found this place on Airbnb and it only had 2 other reviews. It had no public rating. So I knew that was kind of a little shady, but the price was way cheaper than anything else in this building. So I went ahead and booked it. The final price came out to around $29 a night. This is a studio apartment right next to the water with a balcony, really tough to beat. Amenities are amazing, the pool, fantastic, and the views are just breathtaking. The first apartment I checked into had water damage. On the floorboard by the bathroom, you could see the wall peeling as if there was water leakage within the walls, and also the bathtub was not working. So the host reached out to me and said, we can put you in another room. So then I went ahead and switched to another room, and this is the room that I'm staying in currently. So when you check into these apartments, your host will give you a key card. And usually it's only one key card that can access all of the locks in the building. That means the front door, all the locks on the pool, your room. The issue is that this key unlocks the front door, and this one unlocks my room. But this one was not working. And I was asking the security guard, why is this key not working? My host gave it to me, I paid everything. Why is this not working? So every time I would go and try and unlock the front door, it wouldn't unlock. So the security guard, luckily he knows me, would have to let me in. The issue is that this apartment is currently being subleased. So there's an owner who actually physically owns the property, who's renting it out to the Airbnb host, who then rents it out on Airbnb. So you have a lot of middlemen with this listing. And the issue is that the person that physically owns the unit has debt on the unit. They haven't been paying the maintenance fees, and there's almost 7,000 ringgit worth of maintenance fees outstanding. And I found this out because my room number was listed on one of those posters in the public area. So now it made sense why my key card was not working. And I told this to Airbnb, I told this to my host, I was saying this is an inconvenience. Maybe I'll get locked out of my apartment, who knows? If you're gonna list your apartment on Airbnb, you have to be current on your debts, because that's gonna start affecting the tenants that come here, and it makes it an unpleasant situation. So my Airbnb host was very gracious, and she sent me this kind of funny text, which I didn't understand because I actually met her the other day, and she was apologizing, and she expected me to be super angry and whatever, but it's just frustrating. But in the grand schemes of things, it's peanuts. So due to the inconvenience, I was able to get a discount on this stay. So my original price was $29 a day USD, and with the discount it came out to $17 a night USD. Incredible value for where I'm staying. Alright, that was very long-winded. I'm trying to focus on getting to the point. What I'm trying to say here is the Airbnbs that have the 4.9 and 4.8 5-star listings with 70 to 100 reviews, those are the ones that you want to stay at. Yes, they may be $15, $20, $30 more expensive a night. Having the security, knowing that you're going with an Airbnb host that has reputable ratings and reviews and compliments, and somebody that knows what they are doing, will make your journey a lot smoother. For me, moving forward, I'm really gonna stick to those 4.8 to 4.9 rated Airbnbs. There's a reason why nice things cost more money, and that's the same concept when it comes to Airbnb. So I just wanted to let you guys know, when you're booking Airbnbs, especially in Malaysia, that if you see these new listings, you may want to pump the brakes and see if there's better alternatives with more reputable ratings and a more reputable source on Airbnb. I'm trying to finish this video before the sun goes all the way down. I'm running out of light. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope these tips were helpful for you when booking your next accommodation in Malaysia. Be yourself and you'll make a difference. Peace.